Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice number 87.
MathPractice number 87. So for 2013, what we're starting off with is about some arithmetic review, right?
Yep.
So today we're going to talk a little bit about subtraction, and we'll probably talk about subtraction maybe 2 more times this week. So I've given you 3 subtraction problems on the board. One's easy, one's medium, and one's medium-y. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, 5 minus 2.
That's 3.
Okay, how'd you figure that out?
Well, 5 minus 2 is 3.
Well, okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. What's a way you could think about that?
Well, you could count down from 5 to which is 4, 3.
Okay, that'd be one way to think about it. So if you had 5 fingers and then 2 went away, how many would you have left?
3.
3, okay. Now, is it easy to think about the next one the same way?
Well,
If you had 19 fingers. What?
19 fingers.
19 fingers? What? Okay, well how can 19, what is 19 minus 6? I bet you know the answer to that. You can count? Or do it without counting backwards.
13.
Okay, how'd you do that?
Well, we know 9 minus 6 is 3.
Ah, we know 9 minus 6 is 3. That's interesting. How does that help us?
And then you just add 10 on.
You just add 10 to it. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. Alright, so why don't you write that down? So this one we could use something that we knew already, which was 9 minus 6 is 3, and then we could just add 10 onto it, because that's what 19 is, right? It's 10 plus 9.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, very good. Now, this one's the mediumer one. Ooh, it's even more medium than the last one. 21 minus 4. Whoa. Okay, how are we going to think about this?
Well, we could do 1 minus 4, which would be minus 3. And then that would be, we could just add on 20 to that, which would be 17.
Ah, very good. So we can actually do it the same way. We can say, here we said 19 minus 6, we just do 9 minus 6 is 3, and then add 10 to it. So let's do it the same way. 1 minus 4 is? Minus 3, and then we just have to add 20 to minus 3, and so that's 20 minus 3, which is?
17.
17. Write it down. Whoa! Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Now that seems, you wouldn't think these 2 problems were the same, but they're pretty close to being the same, right? You can approach them the same way. So 9 minus 6 is?
3.
9 minus 6 is 3, and just add the 10 to it. 1 minus 4 though, what's that?
Minus 3.
Ooh, what does minus 3 mean?
It's a negative number.
It's just a negative number. Is it scary?
No.
When you close your eyes, do you see it running at you and get kind of afraid?
No.
No? When somebody says minus 3 to you out on the street, do you run screaming into the woods?
No.
It's just minus 3, right?
Yeah.
It's not scary. What's more scary? A bird or minus 3?
They're kind of the same.
They're kind of, neither one is that scary? Okay. Well, what about a scary bird at minus 3?
Maybe a hawk.
Maybe a hawk is more scary. Okay, so minus 3 is just a number, and minus 3 plus 20 is?
Minus 3 plus 20 is just minus 17.
No. Minus 3 plus 20 is just?
17.
17. Okay, good. No reason to be scared of minus numbers, right?
No.
No, definitely not.